I started this weight loss journey at 285 pounds. And at 285 pounds, I was carrying a lot of weight around. The weight of self-doubt, the weight of putting everyone and everything else first and me last, to say the least. I didn't feel strong or that I had what it took to overcome myself. But then I had a breakthrough. I started to believe in my ability to move beyond what I perceived my strengths to be. I found my strength in my awareness of this. Once I realized I had been a victim of my own self-limiting beliefs, it was then that I started to mindfully take control of those thoughts and mindfully reprogram them by replacing and reinforcing those thoughts with the spirit and energy of love for myself and strength and power of mind. I then called my power and my strength back to myself, and I lived in the moment of that love, strength, and power through my choices and my actions by consistently showing up for myself every day, making small, mindful choices that made me feel proud of my accomplishments. These positive, mindful changes were the building blocks to what ultimately made me feel strong. And eventually I started to see the changes in my body as well.